Turn!
Turn! Don't run into the fence! Whoa!
Isn't that cool? Turn!
Turn!
Go backwards. Hit the little thing and backwards. Pull it backwards.
There you go. Good job. Now turn. Turn towards the fence. Turn towards the golf course. Good job, buddy. Keep turning. Keep turning. Keep turning. Good job.
Step on the gas. Hit the gas.
Cole's face is covered in cookie. It is cool.